Motherland Monument has always been the main symbol of Ukraine's defense. This symbol became especially relevant during Russia's invasion of Ukraine. The FreeGen company team has implemented in the virtual world the long-standing task of decommunization, the shield, replacing the coat of arms of the USSR with the coat of arms of Ukraine, the trident. And most importantly, revived the figure of the Motherland Monument and added a gesture of call to fight towards Russia. If you look at the situation of real sculpture, the revived sculpture in the virtual world allows everyone to install the Motherland Monument with augmented reality anywhere in the world and examine it in detail, take a selfie with her or filming with her, and use videos for social networks and Tik-Tok. Anyone can find access to the use of virtual sculpture of the Motherland Monument in augmented reality with the 3D Selfie Park of the FreeGen application, as part of the Touch Ukraine virtual tour, also with the FreeGen.Games website, or on the FreeGen.Games page on Instagram. All links in the description of this video. Let us know about your ideas, what other symbols of Ukraine to transfer to the virtual world, and what legendary sculptures and monuments to revive. Let's win together. Glory to Ukraine.